So second part of question number 4 is m square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. So over here again you're going to use splitting the middle term method, and this middle term minus 14m you have to split and write as minus 16m plus 2m, because 16 into 2 is 32. So minus 16m plus 2m in this way. Then you will regroup. You can take m common from m square and minus 16m. So it will be m into m minus 16 plus 2 you can take common from these two, 2 into m minus 16. So m minus 16 is common between these two groups. So you can take m minus 16 common, m minus 16 into the remaining is m plus 2. Then denominator also you have m plus 2, so you can cancel it out. So the final answer will be m minus 16. Third one is 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. So again this has to be done by using splitting the middle term. So minus 25 has been written as minus 20p minus 5p, and then the terms have been regrouped. 5p has been taken common from these two, so you get p minus 4 in the bracket, and minus 5 has been taken common from the last two terms, so you get minus 5 into p minus 4 divided by p minus 1. So p minus 4 into 5p minus 5. Now again 5p minus 5 you can take 5 common from these two, so it will be 5 into p minus 1. Then you have p minus 1 in the denominator also, so they can get cancelled out. So the final answer will be 5 into p minus 4. Now in this question, if you want, you can take 5 common in the first step itself. Now in this entire thing 5 is common, so you can take common 5 like this, 5 into p square minus 5p plus 4 divided by p minus 1, and then you can split these terms. So this can be written as 5 into p square minus 4p minus p plus 4 divided by p minus 1. So this will be 5 into, you can take p common from first two terms, p into p minus 4 minus 1 into p minus 4 divided by p minus 1. So again you get the same result, 5 p minus 4 p minus 1 divided by p minus 1. So again you get the same answer. Fourth one is 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. So z square plus 6z minus 16, this one has been factorized by splitting the middle term method. Again 6z has been written as 8z minus 2z. Y and y you can cancel out, and 4 and 2 you can cancel out. So this will be after regrouping, you can take z into z plus 8 minus 2 into z plus 8. Again from these two groups you can take z plus 8 common. So 2z was remaining here after cancelling out this 2y and 4yz. So 2z into z plus 8 into z minus 2. Now you have z plus 8 in the denominator. So cancel out, and final answer will be 2z into z minus 2. Fifth one is 5pq into p square minus q square divided by 2p into p plus q. Now here you can apply the identity for factorizing p square minus q square, that is a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So that identity has been used for factorizing p square minus q square. So 5pq into p plus q into p minus q divided by 2p into p plus q. Then you can cancel out the factors. P plus q is there in both numerator and denominator. You have p also. So the final answer will be 5q into p minus q divided by 2. Sixth one is 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square plus 4xy into 3x plus 4y. So again, for factorizing this one, you will be using identity a square minus b square. That is 9x square, you can write it as 3x the whole square, and 16y square can be written as 4y the whole square. First, between 12xy and 4xy, you can cancel. You will get 3. Then write this as 3x the whole square minus 4y the whole square divided by 3x plus 4y. Then you will factorize this using a square minus b square identity, that is 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. So you have this in the numerator and denominator, you can cancel out. So the final answer will be 3 into 3x minus 4y. So seventh one is 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 plus 26y square into 5y plus 7. So now out of these two terms, 50y square minus 98, you can take 2 common. 2 is a common factor of both these terms. So when you take 2 outside the bracket, you will get it as 2 into 25y square minus 49. And this 39 has been factorized as 3 into 13. 3 into 13 into y cube, and from this bracket 50y square minus 98, again 2 has been taken common. So in the bracket you will get 25y square minus 49. So the numerator has been written in this form. Divided by denominator 26y square. So again this has been factorized as 2 into 13 into y square into 5y plus 7. After that, now 25y square minus 49. This can be written as 5y the whole square minus 7 square. And over here you can cancel out 13 and 13, and you can cancel out y square also. Then only one y will be remaining, and you can cancel out this 2 with this 2. Then this one has been factorized using a plus b into a minus b. So 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7. Then this 5y plus 7 you can cancel. So the final answer will be 3y into 5y minus 7.